Queendom crew, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Queendom Mindset, and today I'm giving you an amazing tutorial on some easy head wrap styles that I wear when I'm not wearing my wig. So if you want to see some more styles like this one that I'm wearing right now, make sure that you click that subscribe button and you stay tuned. Alright queens, that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, especially if this helped you. Comment below your favorite style from me, and make sure you subscribe to my channel and follow me on all my social media at Queendom Mindset, and follow my Twitter that I just created. It's at the Queendom Crew. Thank you guys so much. I love you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.